Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to name highlights on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now in order to name highlights on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and after opening your Instagram app we'll be required to go to our profile section. To do that, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture in a small circle. Tap on it, and over here you can see there is the new button available for us, which is the highlights, which is for the highlights. Now in order to rename a highlight, you can do that to already a made highlight, but we'll be proceeding to make a new highlight. So to do that, let's tap on the new, and all of the stories on your account which I being able to highlight will be available over here. So tap on the story which you want to highlight, and after that tap on next, and where it says the highlights, guys, over here you can just type in your name for the highlight. I say for me it goes suppose picture of something, and you can see, guys, and this is the way you can name highlights on Instagram. And after you tap on the done button at the top right corner of the screen, the highlight will be named with whatever you name over here. And there, guys, this is how to name highlights on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.